Is that the biggest waste of a 394 you've ever seen? Good morning. Happy Sunday, as it is here in Wales in the UK. Yeah, just a silly little video for you really on a Sunday. I'm just here cutting up this little rubbish, which by the way, I always used to just bin this, bonfire it, chip it, get rid of it. But with all the bigger stuff I've got, it's actually great for starting fires. So I'm loving chopping it up. And you know what, I'm sure all the comments will go mental, like why would you bother using a 394 and why are you standing on it, you're going to cut your leg off and all of that. It's my legs. But you know what, I think I wanted to just switch you on while I was doing this, because I've always thought these bigger, like the 90 plus cc, so this, not so much a 660, maybe an 880, 394, 395, maybe 592. I always thought they were probably a bit too big for this, a bit too heavy. But I wanted to show they're not really. The thing that surprises me about this saw the most, and I guess the same for 281, 288 really, is that they're surprisingly good at just absolute rubbish. Things that they're totally overqualified for and they're going to burn too much fuel for and they've got way too much power for and they're probably too heavy. But yeah, I just wanted to show they'll do it really. And actually it's quite fun to just wave it around, and as you can see, basically on idle it just goes through this stuff. This is a sharpened chain. I did manage to sharpen this chain. It's not that I'm rubbish at sharpening chains, it's just that it seems to take forever. It's just a pain. I get all, I don't know, but need to just persevere a bit more. But I do find square filing easier than round filing. Also on that note, I started round filing the wrong way the other day as well. So from the working corner in, not towards the working corner. I actually found it easier. Does anyone else sharpen that way? Anyway, nice sunny Sunday morning here in Wales. Just running the 394. I also did, just filling up the barrow with this rubbish, I did just run the 262 as well, but I'm just still so happy to run that saw. But you guys don't need to see any more 262 footage, do you? But yeah, just one of those things. Hope you're out. Hope you've managed to get out today. Thanks for everyone who has commented and enjoyed the 400.1 video, especially Machinery Nation. So if you haven't been and seen their channel, go and see them. Go and watch their video on the 400.1. They've just put out a new video of them running it. And I think they're going to put a video out of that, the 400.1, so the new one. I think they've got the first one anyone's got, I don't know, somehow. Against the 400, against the 362. So I'm excited to see that. But yeah, just really, we like to celebrate all chainsaws on this channel. We're not brand or anything specific, but I'm out here running one. I hope you got to run a saw today. I don't really care if it was a tiny little hobby 120 Chinese made thing or if it was a brand new 661. As long as you're out there running it and getting some wood and enjoying yourself and relaxing, and if it's like me, it's just a bit of chill time with a saw, isn't it? And of course, you know you're going to be warm for the winter. So yeah, just a really hello from Wales on this sunny Sunday morning. I hope you're all good, and we'll see you again soon. Take it steady.